Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome to the Link English channel, the channel that you can explore and elaborate about English. Bagaimana kabarnya sahabat SMK? Mudah-mudahan semuanya baik-baik saja dalam kondisi pandemik seperti ini. Pada kesempatan ini, kita akan membahas materi yang berhubungan dengan kegiatan yang memang benar-benar sangat penting dalam kehidupan kita. Materi pada hari ini adalah obligation and necessity in English. Obligation and necessity dalam bahasa Inggris disebut juga kewajiban dan keharusan. Merupakan suatu ungkapan yang harus dilakukan seseorang. Ungkapan ini tidak boleh ditunda-tunda dan wajib dipatuhi. In English, they can be found in our daily life. For example, look at the sentence. Because we would like to make document, we must use laptop to type the document. Jika kita perhatikan kalimat tersebut, terdapat kata must. Dengan penggunaan kata must, maka kita dapat mengungkapkan obligation and necessity. Sahabat SMK, seperti biasanya, uraian materi pembelajaran akan dijelaskan melalui informasi slide yang meliputi the first, social function, the second, structure of the text, the third, language feature. Social function membahas definisi dan tujuan kita mempelajari obligation and necessity. Structure of the text membahas bentuk dan contoh dari suatu ungkapan obligation dan necessity. Language feature membahas tata bahasa dalam menyusun ungkapan kewajiban dan keharusan dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan di akhir pembelajaran, kami coba tampilkan video demo percakapan yang berhubungan dengan obligation and necessity. Selanjutnya, mari kita ikuti uraian materi pembelajaran kita hari ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning student. Welcome to English Learning Media with Mr. Purnomo CD. Today we would like talk about obligation and necessity. Sebelum kita masuk ke dalam pembahasan hari ini, mari kita lihat kompetensi dasar. Aspek pengetahuan, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan untuk menyatakan dan menanyakan tentang keharusan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua, aspek keterampilan, menyusun teks lisan dan tulis untuk menyatakan dan menanyakan tentang keharusan dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Tujuan pembelajaran. Yang pertama, mengidentifikasi. Yang kedua, menganalisis. Yang ketiga, menyusun. Yang keempat, mengkomunikasikan. Frame of teaching. Social function. Structure of the text. Language feature. The first discussion, social function. Obligation and necessity is an expression that we have to do and never say no. It has an important purpose and we can't refuse to do it. In English, usually we can use model like must or have to. Obligation and necessity merupakan ungkapan keharusan dan kewajiban, dan jangan pernah mengatakan tidak. Ungkapan ini memiliki tujuan yang penting, dan kita tidak bisa menolak untuk melakukan tersebut. Dalam hal ini kita menggunakan model must dan have to. Selanjutnya, I have special condition, look at the picture. Karena sudah jam 6:12 sore, maka kita bisa mengatakan the children must go home right now. After that, we would like to talk about the second discussion, structure of the text. Must, have to, and be supposed to. Three element of obligation. Ketika kita ingin mengungkapkan obligation atau kewajiban dan keharusan, kita bisa menggunakan yang pertama must, yang kedua have to, yang ketiga be supposed to. Practice the following dialogue. Ryan, have you finished your assignment? Not yet. What about you? I have finished, but I must recheck before submitting it to the teacher. And then, we still have time to do it right. Yes, we still have 2 days to finish. We have to submit it the day after tomorrow. You are right. I must finish my work as soon as possible. Practice the following dialogue again. Do you have any difficulties so far? Yup, will you help me please? Sure. Then, after we look at the dialogue and the sentences, we can conclude some point. The first, I must recheck before submitting it to the teacher. Dalam kalimat ini mengandung kata must. Berarti kita bisa mengatakan bahwa kalimat ini mengungkapkan kewajiban dan keharusan. The meaning, it is necessary for me to recheck my work before submitting to the teacher. The second, we have to submit our paper the day after the tomorrow. The meaning, it is necessary for us to submit our paper the day after tomorrow. Prohibition. Di samping berbicara tentang keharusan dan kewajiban, ada hal yang memang hampir sama persis, yaitu larangan. Bagaimana kita membuat larangan dalam bahasa Inggris? Yaitu dalam prohibition. Prohibition is don't do it. Jangan lakukan itu. It is forbidden, dilarang. How, bagaimana? Subject plus must plus not plus verb 1. Or subject plus can plus verb 1. Can mean cannot. Do you understand? In order to get the full meaning, I would like to give an approach from the picture. Look at the picture. The first picture, it means you must not turn right or you can't turn right. The second picture, you must not smoke here or you can't smoke here. The third, you must not take photograph. And the fourth, you must not swim right now. The last discussion, language future, the definition, the form, and example. Must, to express necessity or obligation. Jadi must digunakan untuk mengungkapkan keharusan atau kewajiban. Yang kedua, must is used when the speaker think it is necessary. Jika Anda melihat suatu kondisi itu memang wajib untuk dilakukan atau ada kepentingannya, maka kita bisa menggunakan must. Yang ketiga, pola dasarnya subject plus must plus verb 1. Example, I must clean my room every day. It means I decide to clean my room every day. After must, we have to. To express necessity or obligation, Have to is used when another person thinks is necessary. The third, the pattern. Subject plus have or has to plus verb 1. In negative, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Have to for the subject, they, we, I, and you. And has to, she, he, it, and the name of the person in single. Example, I have to water the flower every day. Karena dalam kalimat tersebut ada kata have to, berarti ini merupakan suatu necessity atau obligation. The meaning is, it is not my decision. My mother told me to water the flower. After must and have to, we will talk about be supposed to. Be supposed to express expectation atau harapan. Be supposed to is used when another person thinks it's expectation. The form is MR plus supposed to plus verb 1 is MR plus expected to plus verb 1 or infinitive. Example, I am supposed to make my bed every morning. It means I am required or expected to make my bed every morning. I am expected to go to school early. It means I am expected to go to school early. What do you think? Do you understand? Yes, of course. After that, in order to get the best result in learning, I will give a special approach for all of you, what we call elaboration. Yang pertama, obligation. Kedua, prohibition. Yang ketiga, necessity. Look at the picture. Yeah. From the picture, we can make obligation. The obligation expression is, you must stop here. Must. The second, making prohibition. You must not touch the ball with your hand. The third, making obligation. Look at the police. The police is pointing to the woman. She must wear a helmet. And the last, making obligation. Look at the teacher. Teacher point to the student. He must do his homework. Must. And then look at the sentences below. You have to match the question with the reply. Ada suatu pertanyaan dengan responnya. Silahkan Anda pasangkan, lalu kirim ke email yang sudah saya informasikan sebelumnya. I have got bad toothache. What must I do? What do you ask me to do about the job? What do I have to do about my smoking habit? My teeth often hurt. What do I have to do? You must stop smoking right now. If I were you, I must go to the dentist. I must resign right away. If I were you, you must avoid eating sweet.
Oh my god, it's not working. I have to call someone. Hello, Rahma.
Hi, Amy. How are you? What's up?
Good, thank you. Well, I have some assignments and I'd like to discuss it with you. In your house, may I?
Sure, my door is open.
Great, thank you so much.
Don't mention it.
Assalamualaikum, Rafa.
Waalaikumsalam, who is it?
It's Amy!
Hello there! Come. So, what can I help you with?
Can you help me to send my assignment by your email?
Of course. First, you must prepare the email.
Why do I have to? I have that one already.
Don't get confused. I mean your teacher's email.
Ah, I see. What must I do next?
Then you must choose the document you want to send.
Okay. Done! Oh my god, thank you so much for the help!
You're welcome.
Oh, I gotta go. I have Zoom meeting waiting for me.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks!
What do you think about our learning discussion about obligation and necessity? I hope all of you understand the material presented from the beginning until ending. Loving yourself beginning with liking yourself. We start with respecting yourself. We start with thinking of yourself in positive ways. Thank you very much for all of you who have joined the program. Always keep the rule of COVID-19. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam SMK bisa hebat. See you.
Guys, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And see you guys later. Bye-bye!